past been very rough still, but as a youth, left I'm old from 17, me the same way, still I live. I understand. I don't really like talk about it because I really remember back on all them things. My name is Garnet Johnson, and I don't really come from there, so I live here for a couple of times, more 15 years. And the other day I go away and come back, I see this happen. Understand?
So what exactly happened?
I really know I never there, I just come see the tree like.
So what? So what your neighbors told you happened?
Them say the tree chopping at the house. The rain blow it down or something like that.
Right, so how do you feel about this?
Well, that's 100 still from the other day, but I just go and keep it up.
Alright, so about how much did you spend on this structure and the furniture and everything that was inside?
You may say, I don't really have nothing I can find but the receipt I know about it. It cost me for nearly 400,000 built from scratch. Everything I buy two, everything from scratch one time. That it cost me to build it, nearly that.
So you used to be employed at CB them say before you started selling shrimps. Tell us what happened.
Well, at Caribbean Boys was a little stepping stone for me. But after 2 years, we were on the road meeting a little accident, and it caused me to end up take some days when the contract never get signed back. So I just kind of lose work at Caribbean Boys.
Which year did you lose the job?
2017.
Okay, and from since then you've been selling shrimps?
Yeah, since then.
Okay.
Before that and after.
So it was some money from that job that you used to build this structure?
Same as my uncle. I don't really go on the shrimp thing, I just keep it up enough. So you understand? So I don't have to really pest nobody and live off of nobody. But I don't really go and feed, so I just keep it up.
Yeah, what is your living situation like? Where do you live now?
But I practically say I live now in a two chairs sleep on it.
Where you sleep on 2 chairs?
What I say?
Alright. You say that you do not know your parents, right?
Yeah.
So what message do you have for them if they are watching this video?
I just want to say, give thanks to you guys who made me and God. Because my day here see me. As much as me I suffer now God, I still live up because I have a soul. I have a blood.
Have you ever tried reaching out to them?
It's like I try 2 times and the tree just get cold. So I want to reach out to me now. You understand? I know say but they see me I wait for them to know. My life is well. Time for me know. I'm 27 now, time for me know. Well, mother name is Chequita Anderson. Let me say she come from Chudleigh, Manchester, Shooters. That's where I'm born. My mother name Chequita Anderson. The witness who witnessed me when I was born was Lana Anderson, that's her sister. I don't know none of the two, I don't know if I have sister or brother. And that's that. So if anyone want to recognize me or know them name there, please reach out to me so I can know my family.
Schoolers, growing up without parents, how has this impacted you?
Well, it impacted me a lot, you know. But each I remember is like it gone up 100%. It impacted me up to 70%, but every time I remember, it gone up to 100%, I tell you. That's how I can value it. It's like, I really like to talk about it until I know them. But I have to talk about it because I want to know them so them can know that.
Do you feel like your life would be better had you have your parents in your life?
Yeah, no matter what, no matter if them broke, rich, happy, vexed, my life will go better from my know.